Hello all you drummers, Adam Fisher here. Are you struggling with your bass drum consistency? Well, today I'm going to show you 4 exercises that are going to help you fix that. Let's start with our lesson vocabulary. First, ostinato. Ostinato is a continuously repeated rhythm or musical phrase. And eighth notes. Eighth note is the subdivision that we're going to be using today. Let's get started. Our ostinato will consist of eighth notes and 2 and 4 on the snare, like so. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now let's start with exercise 1. We're going to play the bass drum on all of our quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this. Okay, exercise 2. Now we're going to shift our bass drum over to the and of 1 and the and of 3. Now exercise 3, we're going to take the bass drum and we're going to shift it over to the and of 2 and the and of 4, like this. Exercise 4. Now we are going to play the bass drum on the and of 1, the and of 2, the and of 3, and the and of 4, like this. Now that you feel comfortable with all the exercises, what you want to be able to do is play one into another, 4 bars each, creating a 16-bar phrase. Make sure to take it slow. We don't want flamming between the bass drum and the snare drum, or your hi-hat and your snare drum, or your bass drum and your hi-hat. We want everything to line up right with each other at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, please click the subscribe button below. Till next time.